File upload bypass techniques are methods attackers use to circumvent security measures designed to prevent malicious file uploads to web servers. Web applications often allow file uploads for things like profile pictures or documents, but without proper security, these can become critical vulnerabilities. When a user uploads a file, the server receives the file data and metadata, such as its name, size, and content type, before processing and storing it. Attackers exploit weaknesses in this process to upload malicious files, potentially compromising the server, executing code, or stealing sensitive data. One common technique is extension manipulation, where a malicious script like malicious.php is simply renamed to malicious.jpg to bypass basic checks. Another method involves using double extensions, such as image.jpg.php, to trick the server into executing the PHP script while appearing to be an image. Content spoofing involves manipulating the content type header during upload, making a malicious script appear as an allowed file type, like image/GIF. Null byte injection uses %00 in file names to terminate the name prematurely, deceiving the server about the file's true type and allowing malicious content through. Magic byte forgery modifies file headers to match allowed types. For example, adding GIF magic bytes to a script to make it appear as a legitimate image. Attackers can also bypass client-side validation by simply disabling JavaScript in their browser or directly modifying HTTP requests. Path traversal techniques use / in file names to navigate directories, potentially overwriting files or accessing sensitive data outside the intended upload folder. Zip file exploitation involves compressing malicious files in archives and exploiting vulnerabilities in how the server handles these compressed files, like zip-slip. Successful exploitation of these vulnerabilities can lead to severe consequences, including remote code execution, giving attackers full control over the server. Other risks include cross-site scripting, where malicious JavaScript is executed, and server-side request forgery, allowing requests to internal resources. Local file inclusion can expose and execute local server files, while denial of service attacks can make the application completely unavailable. To prevent these attacks, developers must implement robust server-side validation for file types and MIME types, using an allow list for extensions. It's also crucial to set strict file size limits, rename and sanitize uploaded files, and store them outside the web root to prevent direct access. Implementing antivirus scanning, proper permissions, content disarm and reconstruction, and authenticating users are essential best practices. Regularly updating software, using a web application firewall, and monitoring upload activity further strengthen defenses against these sophisticated bypass techniques. By understanding these vulnerabilities and implementing comprehensive security measures, organizations can significantly reduce the risk of file upload bypass attacks.